Hey guys, my name is Jake with DashSkin. Today we're going to be looking at some common dash issues with a 95 to 96 Chevy or GMC dash. Talking to you OBS guys. As you can see guys, a common failure point is a lot of cracks on this larger area. This dash here has a small crack here, you can see that, which is going to get all covered up by the dash skin. Defrost area breaks out, the louvers bust, and then your screw holes a lot of times bust out there as well. And as we move further over to the passenger side, as you can see the cup holder here insert, this can be removed, and then it can be also inserted right over your dash skin. Alright guys, just going to do a quick dry fit with the dash cover over top of the dash here. Try and get it wedged all in here in place. You got to make sure this edge here gets pushed in really nice and clean, as well as this one as well, and the little crack. And we got a nice finished look here. Now we're going to go ahead and insert the cup holder. And that just basically presses in, and now you can see how clean it looks. We're going to go ahead and jump right over to the defrost panel area, just because it's one of the cleanest spots, in my opinion, on the dash skin in comparison to the original. It's got the original louver area that looks very similar. And then we're going to jump right into the 3 main bolts, where you're going to reinsert those right into the dash skin, just like the original. I would highly recommend putting some rubber O-rings and or washers on the backside as you're inserting. Then that way you have a nice clean finished look, and then you don't have to worry about it cracking or anything like that down the line. One big point on this dash skin, you're not going to see the original bezel on this one unfortunately, but highly recommend inserting the bezel and pressing it all the way forward against during the entire curing process to make sure everything is perfect for the end result. And then one final note, that crack that we saw earlier on the dash skin over here on this side, you can see is gone now. Alright guys, if you guys have a faded dash or any of the lower components or your bezel are faded in any way, I would highly recommend grabbing some of our color match aerosol paint. Then that way you can make everything clean, super cohesive. Don't forget, all of our products are manufactured and shipped right out of Oklahoma from our own warehouse. And for the best price, check out DashSkin.com. Smash that button. Alright guys, don't forget to smash that button on the side of me. Double tap to check out the link in the bio.